I recently had an issue. Purchased a framing nailer, pass load. It's a shorter one of the two, F325R. Shoots up to 3 1/4 nails. I was trying to shoot 3 1/4, building some fence, ring shank galvanized, and it wasn't quite shooting the nails deep enough. And I've got this Portable Air Compressor. It's great. It does trim nailer, finish nailer, all the smaller ones, but with this bigger one it wasn't quite keeping up with that size of nails. You can see it's 2 horse, 6 gallon. It does really good, but after the first couple nails it doesn't quite have enough oomph. You can see we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then after that the rest of them didn't quite have enough oomph. And the problem is it needs 120 psi, and it just doesn't, it shuts off around 120, and it doesn't kick back on again until, I would guess, closer to 100. So I decided to go with a different compressor. Got it from Menards. Kind of unsure about it. There's 0 reviews on stuff from Menards online, which makes me worried. It was either this one or the DeWalt one at Home Depot. This one comes with a 3-year warranty, and I had some rebates, so I figured, what the heck, let's give it a shot. And I think the electric motor is a little bit bigger than the DeWalt one too. It shows 2 horsepower, and I think the DeWalt one is 1.8. Probably not enough to notice. But anyway, just wanted to make a quick video since there's nothing on Masterforce stuff online to speak of, which is frustrating. So I figured I'd make a video to maybe help somebody else out there, because I'm thinking that 225 psi is going to give me a lot more pressure to consistently operate this gun. Okay, went ahead and cut the tape open. Open this thing up. Got a notice. Call this number if you got any issues. Don't return to the store. And your manual. Okay, it's kind of a bear to get out of the box one-handed, so I took a pause. Voila. It's got 2 little hookups. That's your pressure regulator. That's where you can wrap up the cord. I like the solid wheels. Small inflatable ones always go flat, and they're a pain in the neck to change. So I like the solid. Got these adjustable handle here, which is nice because I'm kind of a taller guy, so I'm standing upright and I don't have to stoop down low to pull it like a child's wagon. So that's, I like that. Rubber grip. All in all, it looks really nice and durable. So let's try it out. Okay. So one more thing I wanted to share. My little handyman service. Lugging that Bostitch one around kind of wears you out, especially if you got any kind of distance to go. And this is one of the big features I was looking for, was the wheels. And again, I like the wheels. They're solid, so they're not going to go flat. They're a good size, so they're going to roll over stuff easy. Construction seems to be really well made. I wanted to show you the sound difference. So I'm hoping this green one's going to be a little quieter. So this is going to be the Bostitch. And this will be the Masterforce. It's a little bit quieter. I like it. Rather than watching how long it takes for this thing to build up pressure, it's at 225, and it took 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Not too bad. Now let's see how long it takes to recover. So once the pressure dropped down to about, I would say 160, it kicked on, and it took a little over 32 seconds to recover to 225 psi. Now let's adjust it to the 120 psi that we need for our nail gun. You can see the dial moving. I'm going to sneak up there just a little bit past 100 and try it out. The nice thing about this setup is you just shove the hose in there and it's hooked. We added some nails. I remember this one was the Bostitch. This one's going to be the Masterforce. Okay, really pleased. I mean, you can see went all the way down through here, pounding the nails. I mean, there was one that's up just a little bit, but I think that was operator error. Did a real good job. I like this pass load framing nailer. I like the small one. The regular size one's cheaper, but that long magazine doesn't look like it'll be very fun to use. And there's the 3 1/4 inch ring shank nails that I was trying to nail. So really pleased. Really pleased with the power. The compressor kicked on. It didn't affect the ability to drive the nails. So I'm really pleased. The only thing I don't like that I found so far is the plug. Normally the little piece that, you know, you wrap it up so that it will stay secured, doesn't hold. So that's kind of annoying. So I'll have to figure something out for that. But other than that, I'm really pleased with the purchase. Again, this Bostitch is a good machine. I'm still going to use it. It's just not designed for what I'm trying to do with it. So anyway, thanks for watching.